Hey, what's up, guys? Jose here with GeForceMarketingGroup.com. In today's video, I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look and a review inside the Six Figure Partner Program. Now, this is a program that basically allows you to copy and paste the same videos that a seven figure earner uses. You'll copy the same broadcast emails, the same autoresponders, the same landing pages, the same sales pages. And the good thing about this also is that they'll let you either do that by yourself or you can hand off the business completely and they will do it all for you. So that's the great thing about the Six Figure Partner Program. You can learn while watching how a seven figure earner works online so that you can recreate this in any niche that you want to get into. So I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look into modules 1 through 4. Of course, to protect the owner's information, I'm not going to show you everything. I'm going to give you the headlines, and then I'm going to make a follow-up video because this goes from module 1 up to module 6. So far we're about halfway through the program, a little bit over halfway. So when modules 5 and 6 come out, then I'll go ahead and make a follow-up video. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So this is a welcome video that you get initially, so I'm not going to talk much there. We're going to click into module 1. Module 1 basically tells you how to set up the business, the overview of the whole business. So as you can see here on the left side, you have a game plan, funnels. You want to create automated funnels. You want to create autoresponder sequences. And as I said, they're going to give you everything. You can basically literally import everything they have. Funnels, autoresponder, email sequence, chatbot. They give you closing scripts for the chatbot. So here it is, how to import your closing script, importing automation, and connecting ManyChatbot to your channel. Okay, so everything there, they teach you how to do it step by steps. However, remember I told you, you can either do it all yourself and market yourself, or you can hand it off completely to the Six Figure Partner Program staff, and they will do all this for you. Module 2, let's check out Module 2. So for Module 2, it's setting up your YouTube channel. You have setting up your YouTube channel, Part 1, Part 2, how to create an introductory video, how to use PowerPoint, your PowerPoint template. So some people don't like to be on camera. So over here they teach you how to create an intro video. So just in case you like to be on camera or you want to practice being on camera, which you should, because the future of internet marketing is basically video. So if you want to brand yourself, you can do this. If you don't want to be in front of the camera, they teach you how to basically create an intro with a PowerPoint template. How to download and edit value videos. Remember I told you you can copy and paste their videos, so they show you how to download and edit them. How to upload and optimize your video. Now this is a little bit of YouTube SEO, very important if you want to get found. Download video plugins and how to create a thumbnail. Now you can create one for free, or they can teach you how to outsource it as well. So Module 3, in Module 3 you can see how to finalize your YouTube channel, how to access and use broadcast emails, private reciprocation Slack group. This is a group of other members inside the Six Figure Partner Program who are supporting each other. Daily method of operation, done for you backlinking for increased views. Daily method of operation and complete done for you service. This is Module 3. Now Module 4 is one of the biggest game changers of this whole program, and this alone makes this program extremely valuable. And this is the traffic rotator. Basically, the whole staff behind the Six Figure Partner Program, they spend anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 on ads on a daily basis. So with the traffic rotator, they basically allow you to become an affiliate to the program, and they will add your link to emails and broadcasts that are being sent out on a daily basis to all their leads, and they are rotating these links between affiliates. So even if you do nothing throughout this whole program, even if you hand it off completely to them, just by having the traffic rotator, your link is being sent out to online prospects that they've collected from their ads. So you can generate commissions and sales by just being part of the traffic rotator. And this can be anywhere from $7 all the way up to $2,500. So this program in itself, it's almost a completely hands-off approach where yes, you can learn how to do everything, which is good. You should learn it if you're just starting out. You can learn everything about opt-in, sales pages, conversions, emails, autoresponders. You can do all that. You can learn all that, or you can completely hand it off to the six-figure partner program staff, and they will do all the work for you. And again, this is a copy and paste system, which basically you're inside a seven-figure business, uh, inside the blueprint, basically. So it's a great way to learn, a great way to follow, and a great way to start earning money quickly if you are new to online marketing. So I hope this information was helpful. I hope giving you a behind the scenes look gives you a preview of what you get with the Six Figure Partner Program. Now, if you want to learn more about it, I suggest to click the link below this video. That link is gforcemarketinggroup.com. And then you'll be able to receive more information and have more details. But this just gives you an overview of the Six Figure Partner Program. And as they update it, as they release new modules, I will make a new video. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And once again, if you want to learn more about the Six Figure Partner Program and learn how you can earn anywhere from $7 up to $2,500 on a daily basis, then click the link below this video. Thanks and have a great day.